Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the picture of resume in Canva. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the home page of canva.com. Now you have to search for resume. Okay, here it is, click on it. Now you have to select any of the resume from here. Let's select this one, then click customize this template. So it's ready. You have to just click on that particular picture. Before that you can just zoom the resume for your better adjusting. Click on it, click delete, click delete image. Now you have to click on the upload option, click upload files. Now you have to upload your particular photo, click open. Now it will be uploaded here. You can see that it's uploading here. You have to wait until it's uploaded. Okay, it has been uploaded. Now drag this photo to that particular area, and that's all. The photo has been changed, and you can just change anything you want from here just clicking it. Okay, that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.